Today, we are going to learn few question and answer under part 1 of the chapter Manufacturing Industries. Before that, if you are yet to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest notification. So let us move into the topic. Manufacturing sector is considered the backbone of development. Give reason. So you can see 5 points are there. Question can be asked for 5 marks. As easily you will get 5 points from here. So what are the points? Manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which is the backbone of our economy, but reduces heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sector. Okay. So in India, majority of the people are depending upon agriculture for their livelihood. As a result, lot of burden on agriculture. If industrial sector and the service sector develop, that is secondary and tertiary sector, if they develop, then it will create more employment opportunities and reduces the burden on agriculture. Now it is helpful for removing unemployment and poverty from our country. That is the second point. Then it reduces regional disparities or regional imbalances by establishing industries in the backward areas. Now, when you are exporting industrial goods, it increases export import, it increases trade activity, it increases business activity. That means trade and commerce, and it earns foreign exchange. We get foreign currency from the other countries. And in the countries where the industrial goods are there, it will convert or it will generate higher value, or it can get higher value compared to the agricultural goods. When you are converting agricultural goods into the industrial goods, its value increases and the sales will increase, more income would be generated, and it will lead to prosperity. Now next question, agriculture industry are complementary to each other or helping each other how? Now agro industries in India is helping agriculture for increasing its productivity, for increasing its production. How? Industrial sector, agro industries, they are selling irrigation pump, fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, plastic, PVC pipes, machinery tools, etc. to the farmers. Actually, agro-based industries are depending on the raw materials from agriculture, and the industries are supporting them with irrigation pump. That is, industries are supporting agriculture with necessary inputs like irrigation pump, fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, so that the production of goods and services become efficient. And the development and competitiveness of manufacturing industry helped agriculturists in increasing their production, and also because of that production process became very effective or very efficient with the help of all these inputs, with the help of the PVC pipe, with the help of machine tools, etc. Now industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. How? So when an industry is started, urbanization, the growth of cities follows. How? Because when a lot of industries are located in a place, employment opportunities are created, and as a result, people will be coming there. People will be coming from far off places. They will settle there, and as a result, that particular place would be grown into a town and later into a city. And you can also see many of the industries are located near cities, as cities are providing them a lot of facilities like banking, insurance, transport, labor, and other kind of services. And because of that, we are telling industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. Urbanization means the growth of cities. Now, what do you mean by agglomeration economies? Agglomeration economies refer to the benefits are received by the firms and people when they come together to make use of advantages offered by the urban cities that prove helpful to them. Agglomeration economies means the advantages which the industries are getting with the help of certain facilities available at a place. You can tell in terms of industry too. Like if an industry comes in an area, or if 3 or 4 industries are there in an area, what kind of advantages it is offering. So when 3 or 4 industries are there, or when 3 or 4 different industries are there, they can help each other. Okay, that is, if one industry is producing the leather, it is converting the skin of the animals into leather or something, then the other industry can use the leather to convert it into uh, shoes, then other industry can convert it into a bag. In that way, different small scale industries can depend on other. Then a lot of other services will also be developed, like banking, then transport facilities. So because of one particular economic activity, how much advantages a particular place is getting, how much achievements, or you can say how much merits a place will have. That is what we call agglomeration economies. There is a lot of economic activities are concentrated in a place, in a particular area. So when an industry is there, more people would come there for a job. Then other sectors like health, education, more hospitals will come, more schools will come, then park or shopping mall, everything will come. So because of the coming up of a particular industry, so 3 or 4 industries can help each other for getting the goods, for getting the raw material, and other type of industries or other type of sectors will also develop, and that particular area will get a lot of benefit. So if an area specializes in the production of a certain type of good, all firms can benefit from such factors like good supply network. You can supply your goods properly, then you will get supply of trained workers. You will get better trained workers from that place. Then infrastructure would be there and good transportation network would be there. Now, what are the factors influencing the location of industries? When you are setting up of an industry, what all factors you are looking? You will look whether you are getting raw material, whether you are having sufficient labor, whether you are able to generate capital, power, market, electricity, market, etc. Without sufficient factors or without favorable factors, you cannot set up an industry. And it is not possible that we are getting all these factors at one place. At least some of these factors should be there, and these factors should be available at lower cost. Then only you can have an industry. Okay, so that is the thing. So what are the factors influencing the location of an industry? Now, how the industries are classified? You can classify the industries on the basis of raw material. You can classify the industries on the basis of their main role, on the basis of the capital investment, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of the bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Now, what are the agro-based industries? So, industries which are depending on agricultural raw materials are called agro-based industries. Examples are given here: cotton, jute, silk, woolen, textile, sugar, edible oil. All these industries are depending on agricultural sector. So the industries which are depending on agricultural sector are called agro-based industries. Now, what do you mean by mineral-based industries? Industries which are depending on minerals are known as mineral-based industries, like iron and steel, cement, aluminum, machine tools, and petrochemicals. Now, what do you mean by basic or key industries? That means important industries. The industries which are supplying raw materials to manufacture consumer goods, like iron and steel, copper smelting, aluminum smelting. Now, what are consumer good industries? The good industries which are producing the goods which are consumed by consumers directly, which is not going for further production. Such type of industries are known as consumer industries, that is, which are producing consumer goods which are readily used or bought by the consumers, like sugar, toothpaste, paper, sewing machines, fans, etc. Now, what are small scale industry? That means small industry. Small scale industry is defined with reference to the maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit. That means how much investment you are making, how much money you are putting in. And it is changed over a period of time depending upon the value of currency. As of now, if an industry is investing 1 crore of rupees, that industry is considered as a small scale industry. Now, what are larger scale industries? Larger scale industries are referred to those industries which are having huge infrastructure, huge raw material, high manpower requirement, and large capital requirement. And they are having a fixed asset. Fixed asset means machineries and all of more than 10 crores rupees. Okay, if an industry is having a fixed asset like machinery and all of more than 10 crore, that those industries are known as large scale industries. Now, what are public sector industries? Public sector industries are owned by government like BHEL, SAIL, etc., Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, then Steel Authority of India. Now, what are private sector industries? Private sector industries are owned and operated by the individuals or group of individuals. It is not under the control of government. It is controlled by private individuals like Tisco, Bajaj, Dabur, etc. Now, what are corporate industries? Now, this requires further explanation. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or poor. Like if you are a farmer, you yourself can become a producer. You can convert your raw material into the finished product. You can take it to market. Then afterwards, you will get the profit and you can share the profit. That means as a team, okay, as a group of farmers. For example, if you are sugarcane farmers and near to your farm there is a sugar industry, as a team, you people will all harvest the sugarcane, take the sugarcane into the factory. You people are converting, you are the owners of factory as a group, as a team, converting it into sugar. Then you are taking it to market. Then you are getting the profit. And finally, as a group, you will divide the profit among yourself. So that is a cooperative sector. So in cooperative sector, middlemen will not be there, and one person will not become rich, as the profits are shared equally. So they pool the resources and share the profit or losses proportionately, like sugar industry in Maharashtra, coir industry in Kerala. Now, what are joint sector industries? They are jointly owned by state and individuals or a group of individuals. So some part of ownership or some share will be in the hands of government and some part of the shares will be in the hand of private individuals like Oil India Limited. Now, what are heavy industries? As I told you, heavy industries like key industries, they are using heavy raw material and their products are also very heavy, like iron and steel. Okay, the basic or key industries. Okay, so their raw materials are very heavy. Their products are also very heavy. Now, light industries are those industries which use the light raw materials and produce lightweight goods like electrical goods industries. Now, one question is there in your textbook. Actually, question number I put is wrong. This is the answer. This is not 20. This is the answer of the 19th question. Classify the following groups into the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. That is whether they are heavy or lightweight industries. Now, oil is a heavy industry because their raw material is heavy. Now, sewing machine, that is also heavy. Knitting needles, that is light, they are needles. Then shipbuilding, heavy. Brassware also heavy. Electric bulbs, light. Fuse wires, light. Paint brushes, light. Watches, light. And automobiles, actually it is heavy industry. Okay, but it's a mistake. It's a heavy industry. Automobiles are an example of heavy industry. Okay, so thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification so that it will encourage me to do more videos. Thank you so much.